G'day guys. I've been given this old Tirfor winch. It's not working. It's been sitting around for years, and the guy just wanted to clear his shed out, so I took it off his hands. I pulled the cover off and found a few problems here. You can see this, it's sort of come apart for some reason. Looks like that pin is supposed to be up in there, and there's a pin missing from through there as well, which I think goes onto there like that. And I noticed down under here another piece there that's come apart. I might as well just take it out and see if I can stand it up. I think I'll have to take that handle off first. But I think it's worth trying to fix it, because these are really good winches when they're going. It's a really old one, like I think it's probably like 50 years old or something, but they are really well built, and if I can get it going, I think it'll be a decent winch. I've actually been looking for one of these for years, but they're so expensive to buy new. Free is my kind of price. So it's just got some locating dowels in there. Quite a clever contraption. They're just like hand over hand type winch. You move these levers and they grab the wire rope and pull it along like that. So I've never actually seen inside one. It's quite a clever design, really. Pull that out, see if I can get it all back together. It's just coming apart. Trying to remember where everything goes. Whoop. This could be fun getting back together. This piece here was just floating around on the bottom of the case, so I think that goes through there. I don't know how it's supposed to be held in place, because it's just like loose and flopping around. I'll leave that out for now. I don't know if that's supposed to be loose or not, but it's probably had a bit of use, because I think it used to be owned by a hire company, so it's probably fairly worn out. But I'll see if I can get it going again. Nothing to lose, really. I think that goes like that. So that one goes there. It doesn't seem to be broken. I mean, I can't see any broken parts. It might just be a bit worn out. And that one goes up there somehow. Okay, so I should be able to get the other one in now. This pin goes through there. There, I think. Now I've got to get these on there somehow. Like that, maybe. So, and they slide down there, I guess, like that. Got it. Alright, so I think that's pretty much how it goes. The mechanism seems to be moving. Alright. I think that goes up there. This piece obviously pulls out and clips over that little latch there. It just falls out of it. And I've got to line up that little tab in the hole there. That's got it. Alright, I think that's pretty much how it goes. So I'll put a few bolts in there and see what happens. Doesn't want to get there, I think. This is put something in the wrong place, maybe. These springs look a bit different. I wonder if that's anything to do with it. One of them is sort of shorter than the other. See that pipe there is sort of bent, so the spring isn't going all the way in, so it only goes to there, and this one here goes all the way in. So if I try and straighten that out, I might be able to, that might go all the way in. That's got it. It's better anyway. Just a little bit more. Yep, that's working now. Let's see if that handle comes back now. That's got it. So that should have opened up the jaws now, so I'll be able to get the wire open there. I'll just use a screwdriver for now and see what that does. Oh yeah, it's grabbing it. I think that's working now. It's not coming out of there. It seems to be holding it this time. So just have to get a wire rope for it, about the same size as that, and try it out. Seems good. It's a good chance to try out my new ultrasonic cleaner, kindly donated by Craig from Off the Net. He thought I could do with one for cleaning all the filters and things, so it should do a good job of cleaning these parts. Oh, look at that. It's bubbling away. Seems to be pulling a bit of that grime off there. So we'll give that a good 20 minutes and see what it does. Oh, it's actually warmed up the fuel. Oh, look at that. That's looking a lot better. It's sort of getting rid of all that rust and all the dirt stuck to the spring. That's looking good. Oh, that's loosened all that dirt up nicely. It's still in there, but it's loose. So if I just do that a few times, it should fall off. Much better. That's feeling nice and free now. No more bits of grit in there. Let's see how that looks. It's all just falling off. That's done a good job. Oh, look at that. It's almost like new. Ooh, that's getting quite warm now. Nice. That's looking good. Nice and clean. Much better. Alright, that's ready to go back together. I'll give all the parts a good wipe down, grease all the sliding parts and oil on the pins, and it should be ready to go. Oh, that's so much better. Nice and smooth now. Good. Seems to be working. That's pulling through okay, and reversing as well, so let's put it to the test. Alright, I cut down this tree the other day, but I didn't quite get it right. It needed to be that way a couple of degrees, and it's hung up on that one behind it, so I'll try and use the winch to pull it sideways, anchor it that one, and then pull it backwards to try and move it this way, and then hopefully it'll come down beside that one. Yep, come on. Oh, that was almost too easy. So I just put the cable on the top side, and as it pulled it just sort of wound the tree off, walked itself off the hang up and came down nicely. So it was hardly even a test for it really, that took very little effort. While it's here I might as well see if I can drag that whole log with it, just to test it out. There's got to be a good couple of ton in that log, so see what it can really do. It's moving that whole log, no problems at all. It's amazing. They've got a bit of power, these things. I'm just doing that with one hand easily. And to go in reverse, you just go on that handle. And it backs it off. That goes really well, I'm happy with that. All it took was putting the pieces back together where they should be, a good clean and a lube, and it's like new again. Job done.